No. If you have any confusion, please let me know. Is there any confusion regarding anything?
Sir, can you explain group by and having again?
Okay. The concept of group by and having, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How can I do that? Hmm. I believe in our last class, we have these examples, right? Where we have students from three different departments, and we want to show how many students in how many departments. Okay, let's consider the query. I'm just basically changing the query. What I want to find out department wise number of students. Let's say this is my current query. Okay, make sense? বুঝতে সমস্যা আছে কোনো কোশ্চেনের মধ্যে?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. So if so, then what would be the answer? Let's come to the answer first. If this is my data set, then what should be the answer? Department wise number of students. Can you tell me?
The 4.
Sorry, please answerটা বলেন।
Sir, group by the S step equals CSE bracket and then BBA then triple E.
আমি বুঝিনি। No, I want you to tell me what should be the result of the query. I don't want you to write the SQL. I want the result. If these are the 4 data, let's say these 4 data I have, right? So based on these 4 data, if I want to represent the data such a way that I want to see department wise number of students, what would be what I will see in the screen?
CSE, 2 students.
CSE,
BBA, 1 student.
2 students, very good.
BBA,
BBA,
1 student.
1 student.
Triple E, 1 student.
Triple E,
1 student.
1 student, right? Are you all agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Okay, now the issue is how can I do that? So this is basically what I want to display, right?
Yes, sir.
So how many columns I am displaying? How many column I am displaying?
4.
No, how many columns?
So 2 columns.
Column 2. What are those columns? Can you name the columns? The data
The
would be
department
coming
name?
from. No. Just look at these are the name of the department.
S department, SDET.
Very good. SDEPT and the next one. What is the next one?
The number of students.
Number of students, right? So how this will come, I don't know yet, because there is no such what? There is no direct attribute, right? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if there is no attribute, then how to compute these things? So I have to compute it, right? I have to compute this number. So how I will compute this number? How I will get this value? What we do?
So select compute.
না না না, সিলেক্ট কম্পিউট মানে কি?
স্টুডেন্ট হবে স্যার।
না না, সিলেক্ট কেন আসছে? why you are talking about query? I am not asking you to think about the queries. I want you to think in terms of program. If I want to say, okay, write a C code to find out how many students are there in each of the departments, what you would do? কি করতে হতো?
স্যার কাউন্ট।
Sorry, count. I'm just waiting for you. I want you to, tell me what to do. ভুল হতেই পারে, চুপ করে বসে থাকলে তো হবে না, then basically we won't be progressing.
স্যার আমি যেটা বুঝছি এটা আগে ভুল, আমি কাউন্ট বলেছিলাম।
আচ্ছা, someone is saying count. Okay, what do you think? Yes or no? অন্যরা সবাই চুপ করে আছেন যে। There are 19 students, only one response. That means other either don't care. If you don't care, then basically I will ask you to leave the group. Or you don't
Sir, may I
understand
know the
anything.
question again? Sir, I just rejoined the class again.
Okay,
There was some.
the issue is we want to, we are basically in question number 2. Okay, I'm
Okay, sir.
explaining the whole thing again, but this time I want the class to participate. So department wise number of students, as you have mentioned, the answer should be like this, because this is the data set. On top you can see the data set is there. This is the data set. Okay, so what we can see, we have a student table where we have SID, S name, S department, and earning. These are the 4 columns, and we have 4 tuples. Okay, so student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4, their name is given, their department is given, and their earning is given. But here what I want department wise number of students. This is basically what I'm looking for. So someone has mentioned the answer should be CSC 2 students, BBA 1 student, EEE 1 student. Someone saying this would be the answer. Now the next question that I had, how many columns we are getting? So to generate this answer, how many columns we are having? Someone have mentioned we have 2 columns. So these are the 2 columns. That's why I'm written column equivalent to 2. What are those columns? The first column is S department, and the second column is basically number of students which we have computed. And how we are computing this, this is what I want to know now. And I believe already Noreen has mentioned count. We can do counting, we can do count, but rest are basically silence, so they are not participating in the discussion. So how can we get
Sir,
number of students?
So I also think it's count.
Counting what? What you are counting?
Sir, we can sort them, then we can
sir,
count them, I guess.
Okay.
Sir, we are counting their department.
So counting the departments.
You are counting the departments. Okay.
Sir, I guess we're counting the students, right?
You are counting the students. Okay. You're counting the department, you are counting the students, you are counting. So
Sir, department wise student. We need to count.
mhm, we need to count. Okay. How do you count?
স্যার এখানে কি আমরা কোনোভাবে লুপ ইউজ করতে পারি?
পারি?
স্যার where S department equals CSE then count ইউজ করব মানে তারপরে
না,
আবার
আমি জানি না মানে আপনারা কেন এসকিউএল চিন্তা করছেন। ডোন্ট থিঙ্ক অফ এসকিউএল, think of a typical program. How can you, this is a problem that you need to solve. How can you solve this problem? আমরা তো এসকিউএল পরে লিখবো, I will write the SQL, don't worry about that. So but if this is a problem, if this is a table, এই টেবিল থেকে আমি কিভাবে এই টেবিলটা পাই, I want you to explain me that. সেটা কাউন্ট হবে না ডিপার্টমেন্ট কাউন্ট করবো না স্টুডেন্ট কাউন্ট, I don't really bother about that. You tell me the process step by step, what the things you need to do so that from this table I can get this table.
স্যার ইনিশিয়ালি স্যার প্রত্যেকটা মানে স্টুডেন্টে যাবে, যে স্যার তারপরে ও দেখবে স্যার কোন ডিপার্টমেন্টে, লাইক লাইক যদি স্যার মানে লাইক আমি যদি নর্মাল সি প্লাস প্লাস এর কথা চিন্তা করি, এভাবে প্রোগ্রামের কথা চিন্তা করি, লাইক ইফ এস ডিপার্টমেন্ট ইকুয়ালস টু সিএসই, দেন there will be one counter added, then else if the other departments, like এইভাবে স্যার কাউন্টার দিয়ে স্যার একটা একটা করে লাইক যদি কাউন্ট করি তাহলে স্যার আই গেস হয়ে যাবে। আর তার আগে একটা স্যার লুপের মতো একটা অবভিয়াসলি একটা লুপ লাগবে।
Something like this, right?
জি স্যার।
I'm
Did
trying
you
to
draw something?
I tried to, no, I just write a piece of code here. Is it visible?
Yes sir. Sir actually
Yes,
I'm
sir.
in my phone, so it's really tough to get.
Okay,
I can see it sir.
okay, so I have just written a code. I just have this is the code which, as you have mentioned, like I will be running a loop and I will be having a condition. So if department matches with a particular department, then for that department the counter will increase.
Yes
Right?
sir.
You are talking in that way, right?
Yes sir.
Okay. So how about the others? What others are thinking?
Sir, I also agree with Orna.
Okay. Then
স্যার আমিও লুপ ইউজ করে করতে চাইছিলাম।
right, মানে you agree with this concept?
Yes স্যার।
Anyone else?
Sir, can I add something? যেটা আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি ভাবতেছিলাম স্যার।
জি জি অবশ্যই বলেন।
স্যার লাইক আমাদের আমরা যখন নরমালি লাইক প্রোগ্রামিং বাদে যদি জিনিসটা কাউন্ট করি লাইক টেবিল থেকে, সো আমাদের ব্রেনে যেটা কাজ করতেছে লাইক
জি জি জি
ডিপার্টমেন্টে দুটো আছে, সো স্টুডেন্ট মাস্ট বি 2 এন্ড বিবিএ ডিপার্টমেন্টে একজন আছে, সো একজন, এন্ড ট্রিপল ডিপার্টমেন্টে 1, সো 1। সো আমাদের ব্রেনও তো স্যার কাউন্ট করতেছে তাই না স্যার? সো সেই ক্ষেত্রে তো আমরা প্রোগ্রামিং এও কাউন্ট ইউজ করে স্যার জিনিসটাকে রান করতে পারি। So basically, sir, we can use that, right?
Yes, we can use that, right? So if I may write what you just have mentioned, you are saying like, okay, check all the row and look for the S department, count the count similar departments. So is this what you want to do, right?
Sir, I think it's to it's the
Tawfika,
like
is it what you want to do?
Yes, sir. Similar department হলে তো স্যার আমি student count করবো, right?
Very good. That means you want to count the similar departments and
Yes,
you want
sir.
to browse from here to here. You're basically browsing, like you're basically, okay, I have found CSC. Then you
Yes.
are saying, okay, CSC is 1. Then I have found BBA. So you're saying, okay, BBA is 1. The next entry is Triple E. I am saying Triple E is 1. The next entry is CSC. So I'm increasing CSC by 1. In this way, I will continue, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is basically what you want to do, right? Very good, Tawfika, thank you. Is there any other thoughts?
so no, sir, but I think both of the thoughts are same.
Yes, I know, but this is basically the typical. This is how you can think of in context of a program. So if you don't want to think the programming, then basically this would be the other way,
Yes, sir.
right? That's why basically I'm encouraging you to even think something which is not related to programming. But eventually, yes, you are right, or no, you are right. Like if you want to do this in coding, then you have to follow something like that. Okay. So is there anyone else wants to add anything? Like how can you do that? Fairuz?
Sir, I think we would directly look into the column of department and then we would just count from there.
Okay, good. That means you are saying এত road to বলা দরকার নেই. I am basically checking on these much. How many CSC is there? How many
Yes.
BB is there? How many triple is there? Like that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, which is Tawfika is pretty much similar, having the same concept. That is there anyone else wanna contribute here? So can I just update your thoughts in a different way, or can I basically add on something? For an example, what I want to say here, are you summarizing this table? Is it the summary? So এইটাকে সামারি করে কি আমি এটা পাচ্ছি?
স্যার বুঝলাম না স্যার সামারি করে মানে
ওকে, সামারি মিন্স হচ্ছে জি
জি স্যার, আমিও বুঝি নাই স্যার। এখানে তো আরো দুটো কলাম আছে, স্টুডেন্ট নেম আছে, দেন আর্নিং আরেকটা কলাম আছে। তো সামারি মিন্স
আচ্ছা,
অ্যাকচুয়ালি
সামারি, when we are talking about summarization, that means I have let's say how can I explain? Like for an example, I just show you a chart. Let's say this is a chart. Okay. Now, looking at the chart, you are saying we have a decline trend, we have an incline trend, right? You can say that?
yes sir, it's a inconsistent graph, sir.
it is an inconsistent graph. Are you mentioning in which year what was the cell?
No, sir.
No, sir, we haven't mentioned that.
No.
Okay, so this is year, this is sale, right? So
Yeah.
have you mentioned all details? Like in 2001, the sale was this, in 2002, the sale was this, in 2003,
No,
the
sir.
sale was this. Have you mentioned that? No,
Not-
you
No,
haven't.
sir,
What
we
you have
haven't
done, you have just
mentioned the
mentioned
data.
about one line. So what we will tell that? So that one line would be doing what? Summarizing this curve or summarizing this chart? Can I say so?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sorry, Asia?
sir, I think no, sir.
Why you can't say that? What is summarization by you?
Sir,
Sorry.
summary,
প্রত্যেকটা ইয়ারের ডিটেইলস তো আমরা লিখি নাই স্যার, জাস্ট নরমালি আমরা একটা সামারি করেছি যে এরকম হতে পারে আপস এন্ড
জি।
ডাউন,
জি।
ইনক্রিজ জয়েন এন্ড
জি।
ডিক্রিজ।
জি।
তো সেই ক্ষেত্রে এটা সামারি স্যার। আর যদি আমার এক্স্যাক্টলি ডিটেইলস সহ প্রত্যেকটা গ্রাফ দেওয়া থাকতো তাহলে স্যার উই ক্যান সে দ্যাট যে এক্স্যাক্টলি আমাদের গ্রাফ দেওয়া আছে মানে
রাইট। এখন আমি একটু আসিয়ার সাথে একটু কথা বলি, হ্যাঁ? Asia, if you think that if I ask you, Asia, how is your result? One way you can say, I have got 101, English 101 এ আমি B পেয়েছি, English 102 তে আমি C পেয়েছি, English 104 এ আমি A পেয়েছি, CSC 101 এ আমি B পেয়েছি, and in this way you can list down the grade of all courses, right? In which semester you have taken. You can do that, right? Or you can
Yes, sir.
simply tell me my CGPA is 3 point something. Okay, if I give you your transcript, let's say I am giving you a transcript, একটা স্টুডেন্টের ট্রান্সক্রিপ্ট দিলাম আপনাকে, দিয়ে বললাম আচ্ছা এই স্টুডেন্টটার সম্পর্কে বলেন। So if you tell me okay না এই স্টুডেন্টটা খুব ভালো স্টুডেন্ট, this is a very good student, looking at the transcript, if you tell me he is a very good student, so what you are doing actually, what is your action, what you have
স্যার,
done?
এক্স্যাক্টলি তো স্যার আমি তার
What you have done? আপনি কি তার ডিটেইলটা আমাকে বলেছেন?
is or her transcript for that reason.
আপনি কি আমাকে ডিটেইল বলেছেন?
বাট যখন এই ট্রান্সক্রিপ্ট না স্যার,
বুঝিনি। Yes, I have given you the transcript. Transcript consists of 4 pages. Okay, 50 courses or maybe 30 to 40 courses grades are there in different time, different semesters. The TGPA, CGPA, semester-wise GPA, everything is given. But you are giving me the feedback that student is a very good student. So that one line is what?
স্যার,
Are you following?
no sir, I can't hear you.
Is it problem with everyone? Can't you hear me?
স্যার শোনা
স্যার, এখন তো শুনতে
No, sir, it's
এখন
clear.
তো স্যার এখন তো শুনতে পাচ্ছি, বাট স্যার আপনি এর আগের কথাগুলো আমি কিছু শুনতে পারিনি।
আচ্ছা,
I
মানে আপনারা
assume, sir,
শুনেছিলেন সবাই?
আছে স্যার সমস্যা হচ্ছে।
Okay. So the issue remains, I have given you a transcript with 4 pages that contains grade of a student in all the courses. At the end of the day, you have tell me the student is a very good student. Now, what kind of task you have done? That is basically my question to you.
আমি দুইটা কাজ করতে পারি। একটা হচ্ছে স্যার ফার্স্টে মানে হিজ অর হার মানে আমি তার সিজিপিএটা দেখতে পারি, দেখে একটা অ্যাজাম্পশন করতে পারি যে সে ভালো আর খারাপ। আর স্যার আরেকটা যেহেতু আমার কাছে ট্রান্সক্রিপ্ট আছে সেহেতু আমি স্যার কোর্স ওয়াইজও আমি দেখতে পারি যে কোন কোর্সে কি গ্রেড আসছে, বাট সেটা মানে বেসিক্যালি ম্যাটার করবে না। জাস্ট উই নিড টু সি হিজ অর হার সিজিপিএ, দেন উই ক্যান অ্যাজিউম that he is good or
I
not.
understand, but the task that you have done, এতগুলা রেকর্ড দেখে 10টা বা 20টা কোর্সের রেকর্ড দেখে saying only one word is a good student or she is a good student, what you have done, have you summarized or you have
This is
provided me
summarize.
detailed information?
No sir, summarize.
Okay, summarize. So whenever I'm saying like these 4 columns with 4 rows, I'm basically summarizing the information into 3 rows. So why you have a problem there? Why you are not agreeing this is a summary?
3 rows না স্যার, আমি ওটা খেয়াল করি না, আমি বলছি 4টা রোতেই আছে, মানে সরি 4টা কলাম নিয়েই আসতে হবে এবং সেখানে স্যার তো আর্নিং ছিল না, এজন্য আমি স্যার ওটা এগ্রি করছিলাম না।
না না আমি বুঝতে পারিনি 4টা
বাট
কলাম
এই
থেকে এখানে
কোশ্চেনের
2টা কলামে
ভিত্তিতে স্যার
এসেছি
যখন
আমরা,
এটা বলছি তখন স্যার জি স্যার ইট ইজ সামারি ফর দিস কোশ্চেন।
right? So this is summary, right? You are agreeing now? Okay, very good. So এটা কি
sir.
সবাই কি বুঝতে পারছেন তো this is a summary, right?
জি স্যার, জি স্যার।
জি স্যার।
আচ্ছা
Yes, sir. We're summarizing that.
Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Whenever now the question, I believe like we have started the discussion to understand the concept of group by and having. That was our main motto. Okay, the question, the answer would be whenever you think from a table you need to do summary. Whenever you think from a table you need to do summary in terms of multiple rows or columns, multiple rows, okay, in terms of multiple rows and columns, then it should be, that means the problem should be solved by, the problems is a group by problem. This is a
Sir, by group by, sir, we're sorting the data, right?
no, sorting is not group by.
Sorry, sir. I have mixed up with it with by order by.
We are not sorting, we are summarizing. Okay,
Got it, sir.
so whenever you have, let's say, x amount of row which should be reduced to y, where y is less than x, that means you have to do group by. Okay, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
জি স্যার।
Yes, sir.
Okay, so statement I have made might not be right. Okay, so here the issue is from we have to consider all the rows. That means if I have n number of rows, I have to have a function which is n. So I'm saying y is a function of n. This kind of thing is group by. Okay, so I'm basically working with all the data, I'm considering all the data. Based on all the data, I am doing some sort of summarization, then definitely that is an example of group by. Make sense? Is there any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now how that is group by or why that is group by? So is it clear why we have to do group by? Whenever we want to do summary, right? When you will do group by,
Sir,
group
when
by
we
korben?
some summary.
Very good. Whenever we want to do summary, you have to think of group by. Make sense? Now how to do these groups? Okay, so how many groups we will be considering here? আপনি একটু বলবেন আমাকে এই যে এই ডাটাটা দেখে based on looking at the departments, because you are saying like you have to look into these departments data, right?
Yes, sir.
So based on these departments, you have to come up with a answer how many groups you will have, right? Because how many departments? Because I want to see department wise number of students. So I need to know how many departments I should have.
Sir, here are 3 departments, sir. CSC, EEE, and BBA.
Okay, that means if it is department wise, then the groups should be on department. You have to make groups on the department, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
That means whenever this kind of query should be written, I'm now writing the query. I have started writing the query now. So the group by should be based on department. So I'm saying as department wise, I have to make the group, right? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And as I have mentioned in this table, there will be 2 columns. The first column is S department, as it is mentioned here. So I'm writing S department as the first column. The next column is number of students, as lots of you have mentioned. This is basically coming, we have to count it. So there is an aggregate function called count, which basically count how many elements are there based on the group. So group has been done based on S department. So we are counting. You can put star, you can put SID, you can put S name. I don't care, whatever you put, or you can put it star, or you can put any attribute. It doesn't matter. So you are counting how many tuples are there, which is how many tuples. That means how many rows are there with that value in the group. So it will distribute the whole table in terms of based on the S department. It will distribute the table into several groups based on whatever you have put under the clause group by. So as it is there, so it will distribute the table into 3 different groups. First one would be CSE, second one would be BBA, and third one would be EEE, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is what it will do, and then basically it will count how many students are there in CSE. That means how many tuples are there with the value CSE. We have 2 values or 2 tuples. We have one for BBA, we have one for EEE. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
that is what it will. This is basically the ultimate goal, or this is basically what we do when we do group by. So this is the statement that you have to write, or this is the SQL that you have to write for this to solve this particular problem. Is it okay so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if I want to find out how many students are there in CSE department, what should I do? How many students are in
So
CSE
S
department?
department equals to CSE দিতে হবে স্যার।
কোথায় লিখবো?
স্যার হয় ওখানে
স্যার সিলেক্ট স্যার।
Select.
Select is basically what you display, right?
I think
Sorry sir, group by S department equals to sir.
Sorry, group by না, গ্রুপ বাই তো করা হচ্ছে শুধুমাত্র হচ্ছে আপনার কার উপরে
Summary
গ্রুপগুলো
করার
হবে,
ক্ষেত্রে, স্যার।
সামারি করার জন্য, রাইট? গ্রুপ বাই ইজ বেসিক্যালি টেকিং কেয়ার অফ হাউ মেনি গ্রুপস শুড বি देयर. But now I am
Sir,
interested. Yes, Khadija.
Sir, where departments equal to CSE?
Okay,
Sir,
Khadija
where
is trying to say.
S department equals CSE.
Right, where is department equivalent to CSE?
CSE.
Will that work?
Yes, sir. It
Yes, sir.
So how many departments I will see?
Sir, here we will see just the CSE department, not the other departments.
Very good, because when we count, we will again check whether the information contains CSE or not. Therefore, I'm not considering any other groups, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, very good. Now the second question, third question. So this was first. If I consider how many or display the departments along with their number of students that have more than 2 students.
Sir, we will be using having.
So এখানে কি হবে? What you should do here?
So first of all, এখানে তো স্যার more than 2 নাই স্যার।
Or let's say more than 1
করতে
student.
হবে না।
আচ্ছা আমি I rewrite my query, more than 1 student. You're right, Asya is right. So if I have more than 1 student, what should I do? Okay, what would be the answer?
Sir, our answer will be CSE department because we have more than 1 student there. Just only in
Answer would
CSE.
be up to this much, right?
Yes, sir.
This would be the answer. Very good. This would be the answer. And what should we do?
Sir, group
so how
Y
about where
department?
department S department equivalent to CSE? Is it correct? Is it correct?
No, sir.
No,
No?
sir. We have to use greater than equal so that we can.
So
Keep
this
the-
statement is
Sir,
not
having.
right, right?
We need to use having.
Yes, sir. This is not the right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is not right. Okay. Because we are not looking for CSE students. It could be any students, right? Any department students could come, right? That's why
Yes,
we are not
we-
putting CSE.
Yes.
And the next question is, then how can we do that?
Sir, is it
Sir,
having
having
count more than
Sam,
one?
Why having? Why not in where?
because স্যার আমাদের চেক করতে হবে
স্যার এটা কি পসিবল হোয়ার
ওয়ানের সাথে ওয়ান
Yes, I can put the condition anywhere I want, right? So why you are saying it should be under with having, not with where? What is the logic? Yes, someone is saying something. কে জানি বলছিলেন মাঝখানে কিছু একটা.
স্যার
It was not Asia.
Sir, because last time you told us that we can put only the attribute in where.
Right. Attribute
And the
should
count
be
is
in
not an
where,
attribute.
and aggregated function should be used in having.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so কেউ আপনারা ছাড়া কেউ কথা বলছিল মনে হয়. Was it?
স্যার আমি বলছিলাম
জি।
স্যার আমি ওই যে অ্যানসারটা পেয়ে গেছি স্যার
ও আচ্ছা।
হ্যাভিং
Okay, so last class we have discussed that whenever we are having condition on the attribute value, of the attribute, then we should put it under where, as we have mentioned that S department equivalent to CSC. That means you are having a condition on the value of the attribute, but now we are having condition not on the value of the attribute, rather it is an aggregate function. Make sense? So whenever we are having a condition on the aggregate value, then it must be with the having. Okay, so therefore we won't be considering that. We will remove the condition from here. And thus we get our query that it would be S department count star from student group by S department having count star is greater than 1. Okay. So whether the concept of group by and having is clear. Are you, is it okay?
I guess yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Confusion থাকা উচিত এখনো আমার I believe. Please let me know if you still have some confusion. আছে confusion?
স্যার আপনি যে এক্সাম্পলস দিয়ে বুঝিয়েছেন স্যার ওগুলা দিয়ে তো স্যার বুঝেছি, মানে এখন আই থিঙ্ক অন্য কোনো কিছু দিলে যদি আস্ক করেন তাহলে লাইক বোঝা যাবে যে কতটুকু কি বোঝা গিয়েছে।
ওকে, ভেরি গুড। তাহলে আপনি আমার জন্য একটা ভালো কাজ করেছেন, থ্যাংক ইউ। Okay, so now let me introduce a problem to you. So let's say we have so let's say this is an ER diagram that we want to this is let's say a database that we want to work with, which is the name of the database is PUBS. So here we have authors. Authors are writing books. So one author can produce multiple books, and one book can be written by multiple authors, right? So therefore the relationship is many to many, and so to avoid the many to many relation, we have one associative entity here, which I mentioned here as title author. Okay, and then we have title, which is basically the books, and we have publishers. One title can be published by only one publisher, and one publisher might publish multiple titles. Is it okay, the scenario?
জি স্যার, ওকে, বাট আই হ্যাভ এ কোশ্চেন।
Yes.
স্যার আপনি এখানে অ্যাসোসিয়েট কেন করলেন? মানে কেন আপনি অ্যাভয়েড করতে যাচ্ছেন মেনি টু মেনি?
কারণ ultimately I have to break it down into another relation, right? Can you keep many to many relation in the database?
No sir, no sir.
No, that's the reason why I have done it in this way. Okay.
Thank
Now
you, sir.
now author for author, we have, let's say, AU ID, we have AU F name, AU L name, that means first name, last name. What else? Maybe AU address and country. Okay. Then for title author, this is the primary key. Title author, we have AU ID as the primary key, title ID as the primary key. Then we have, what else we have? Let's say we have revenue share. Let's say we have title, where we have title ID, which is the primary key. We have title name, that's the name of the book. Then we have type of the book. And we should have pub ID, because this will come as foreign key, right? Here we have publisher. Under publisher, we have pub ID, which is the primary key. We have pub name. We have pub name, and we might have address and country. Is it okay? দেখতে পাচ্ছেন?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, if I want to ask you some question, the first question that I want to ask, show me, or let's not use show me, list down country-wise number of authors. I think that is not a question mark, that is a statement. Answer কি হবে? বলেন শুনি এখন। Anyone? I want to find country-wise number of authors. So it might look like this. I'm just giving you some example, like Bangladesh 450, India 545, USA 1251, something like this. A list would be like this, right? Make sense?
Sir, there will be 3 authors country-wise.
No. I'm saying this is country and this is number of authors. the answer might look like this. I say might look like this. Based on the data that is there in these tables, the answer might look like this. That means in Bangladesh, there are 450 authors. In India, there are 545 authors. In USA, there are 1,251 authors. It might look like this. I'm just saying it might look like this. So based on the data that is available in these tables, I don't know what is the data, but it might look like this. This is an sample of the, or this is an example how the query would look like, or how the answer will look like. Tawfiq, is it clear?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay. Now, can you tell me how to generate this table, this answer from the table given here? How can we derive this? What should be my query? How to write the query?
Sir, select country, count star from author table, group by country.
Okay, so you're saying select country, comma, then
Count star
count star, yes, then
from author table,
from author table, okay,
group by country.
group by country. Anyone have any doubts? Is it okay? What is your take?
Sir, is an author of entity?
Author is an entity, yes.
I think we should be using the primary key to define the other keys.
Sorry, primary key define other keys means I didn't get that part. Or no, if you could.
Sir, I meant that can we write the entity name directly? Like,
Why can't we do that?
sir, I don't know, sir. I'm just asking.
So here, if you think, we have written student, right? Wasn't it there?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So yes, can we write the name of the entity directly? That is a good argument. Maybe I could say table TBL author or TBL something like that to follow the convention. But I have assumed this is basically how the tables are formed. Okay, if I assume this is
Yes,
how the tables are formed, then I think it's right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing you must need to understand, SQL is not case sensitive. Like C++, it is not like C++. It is different than C++ on that ground.
Okay, sir. Then that would be much more easier to work with, I guess.
Yes, I think so. Is it okay? Whether the question is clear
Yes,
and
sir.
the answer is okay with all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Number 2. List down types of books along with number of books of that type. So list down types of book along with number of books of that type. What I mean by that, let's say type is romantic, science fiction, maybe CSE. These are different types of book, and number of books, that means we have, let's say in total 15 books of romantic, 25 scientific science fiction book, and 105 CSE books in the title. So this could be the possible answer. So if this is what I need to do, can you suggest a query, how the query should be written?
So select type comma count star from type table.
So select type from
type table.
Title,
sir, title হবে, type table না।
title, then is it okay?
No sir.
Sir, title and type to sir একই না।
I don't think sir select type হবে sir।
Select type,
এটা মনে হয় হবে না I
Sir,
guess।
select type হবে, but group by type হবে আরো।
okay. Is it okay? What do you think? Will that be fine? কি মনে হয়?
Yes, sir.
ঠিক আছে? ঠিক আছে? All of you agree?
Sir group by কি টাইটেল হবে?
আচ্ছা, গ্রুপ বাই টাইটেল হলে কি হয়? টাইটেল মানে কি, মানে these whatever you put here, these should be the attributes, right? টাইটেল বলে কি কোনো অ্যাট্রিবিউট কোথাও পেয়েছেন আপনি? আমি তো পাচ্ছি না।
No sir, these are a little bit confused. That's why these are type, I think.
Okay. Is it okay so far? এবার একটা ডিফিকাল্ট কোয়েরি দিচ্ছি। লিস্ট ডাউন total number of publishers. Possible answer কি হবে? If I want to list down total number of publishers, let's say I have 4,000 publishers, what should be the answer? Right?
Sir, publisher ID থাকবে আর
Yes, sir.
country থাকবে।
Sorry, কে বলছেন?
Sir, publisher ID থাকবে আর country থাকবে।
Okay, so what I want to see exactly, I want to see how many publishers are there, right?
জি sir.
Do I want to see publishers ID and his country?
Sir, country count করবে আর কি, কয়টা পার কান্ট্রিতে কয়জন পাবলিশার আর কি।
আমি কি আমি কি বলেছি যে কান্ট্রি ওয়াইজ আই ওয়ান্ট টু সি?
No, sir.
তাহলে আপনি কেন কান্ট্রি ওয়াইজ কাউন্ট করতে চাচ্ছেন?
স্যার এটা তো মেবি
জি
Sir, select
আজিজ
publisher.
আজিজ একটু বলবেন, আজিজ কি বলছিলেন?
স্যার আমার কাছে তো মনে হচ্ছে স্যার এটা নরমাল হওয়ার কথা, সিলেক্ট স্টার ফ্রম পাবলিশার, দেন এটা বলে দিবে যে কতগুলো পাবলিশারের টেবিলে কতগুলো আছে স্যার, বা কতগুলো হয়েছে।
স্যার এটা কি স্যার আমরা এভাবে বলতে পারি যে সিলেক্ট পাবলিক সরি পাব আইডি কমা কাউন্ট স্টার ফ্রম
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
পাবলিশার?
আচ্ছা একটু 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 আমরা একটু চিন্তা করি, মানে বিফোর ইউ ইন্টারপ্রেট এনিথিং, আমি একটু হেল্প করি আপনাদেরকে। হ্যাঁ, আর অল অফ ইউ এগ্রি উইথ দ্য আনসার লাইক দিস? এটুকুন কি আপনারা এগ্রি করছেন
জি স্যার।
সবাই? If I have 400 records in the publishers, this is basically 4000 record in the publishers, this would be the answer. এখানে কি সবাই এগ্রি করেন আমার সাথে?
Yes, sir.
ইয়েস স্যার।
সবাই সবাই কেউ কি ডিসএগ্রি করেন? কেউ ডিসএগ্রি করবেন না, because you have to agree with me, because you have no doubt, no idea about the data. Since I am saying this is the amount of data, you are all agreeing, right? Now tell me, how many columns are there?
One sir
One column.
and one row.
One column, right? One column.
জি স্যার।
So whenever I think Onnoy it was trying to say, okay, select, he was trying to say select pub id and dot dot dot. Okay, that means what? You have more than one columns, right?
Yes sir.
So if you mention pub id, what will happen? All publishers id will occur. For an example, pub 01, pub 02, pub 03. In this way, each and every row will occur, right?
Yes sir.
So can I have pub id like this?
No sir.
No. I think
Sir, আমি এটার জন্য country বলেছিলাম।
No, sir. We just need the exact number of publishers.
very good. Now let me answer Naurin. So if you want to group by country, right, then it would be
Yes, sir.
BD 500, India, let's say 3000, then USA maybe 500. This would be like this, right, Naurin?
Yes, sir.
So is it what I want to see?
No, sir. But sir, having দিয়ে তো এটা করা যেতে পারে, I guess.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, very good. Naurin, just stay with me. If I put having, what will happen? Can you tell me what I can get?
Sir, এটা গ্রুপ কে মানে এটা তো স্যার রো কে সর্ট করে, মানে আমরা আগে এক্সাম্পলে যেরকম দেখেছিলাম যে সিএসসি কতগুলো স্টুডেন্ট।
হ্যাঁ, মানে আমি আসছি আপনার কাছে। দ্যাট মিনস আপনি এই যে গ্রুপ করেছেন, এই গ্রুপ থেকে যে কোনো একটা গ্রুপকে আপনি দেখাবেন অথবা একাধিক গ্রুপকে আপনি দেখাবেন। So you will select either one or more than one groups, isn't it?
Yes, sir, I guess.
So maybe either we will see BD, or we will say India, or we will get information of USA, or maybe two. So is it what we want to see here?
No, sir.
No. Yes, Taufika, you are saying something.
স্যার আমরা যদি জাস্ট পাবলিশার কে মেনশন করি, লাইক আমাদের টোটাল পাবলিশার কতজন আছে আমাদের ওটা লাগবে, যে 4000 পাবলিশার আছে। So
Right.
স্যার সেই ক্ষেত্রে স্যার we can just only select the publishers.
Select publishers মানে কি সিলেক্ট করব? You have to give me a name of the attribute.
So it should
Publisher
be
is the name of the table, right, which will be
Yes,
there
sir.
in from এর মধ্যে থাকবে publishers,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So এটুকু আমি বুঝতে পারছি, publishers এছাড়া আর কোথাও থাকতে পারবে না। Now tell me what I should put on the select.
so count pub id.
No,
Okay.
পাব আইডি করলে তো আবার সেই পাব আইডি গুলো জাস্ট দেখাবে যে এতগুলো পাবলিশারের পাব আইডি আছে।
No.
But pub id is unique.
Pub ID is unique. That's true, But Taufika, just remember, whenever we are saying count, what
Yes, sir.
count do? It will
Sir,
aggregate.
I got it right now. Sir,
Okay.
when we are writing the count publisher ID, that time we are just counting the publishers, right?
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Yeah.
So we are basically either we can use pub ID or you can use star. It is not a problem for me, but it will be counting how many entries are there or how many pub ID is there, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So that will do, right? What we will put in group by? Group by the ki hobe?
I think it's not needed.
Sir, we won't need.
Very good. Group by is not required at all here. Group by is not required here. Clear?
Is it for because sir we have only one row? যেহেতু আমরা দুইটা রোর জন্য স্যার গ্রুপ বাই করেছিলাম যখন সিএসসি এর স্টুডেন্টস মানে এস ডিপার্টমেন্ট এন্ড স্যার স্টুডেন্টস এর মধ্যে ছিল।
Yes, the concept of group by is based on the data that you have, based on the data you want to have separate groups. At
Yes.
that time, we use group by. But if
Okay.
it is one result from the whole table, that
Yes.
is why I would like to go to the statements. I don't remember whether that is still there or not. Let me go to that particular statement. Oh, I think I have removed that. So someplace I had written, it is basically either multiple rows I want to get. Okay. If I want to get multiple row, that's the reason why the concept of multiple row was there. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir. Now I get it. Yes, sir.
So if
Sir.
you have
স্যার আমরা কি শুধু রো কনসিডার করি as well as কলাম কনসিডার করি না?
column consider kori, kintu when we are
For
grouping,
this case,
when we are grouping, then basically that issue remains the row. Most likely it is the row that we are summarizing. Column can be drilled down by only selection. So if you just select only one column, that would be basically you are removing all rest column. But that is not summary. Okay, বুঝতে পারছেন?
জি স্যার, হ্যাঁ বুঝতে পেরেছি।
So typically summary is based on the rows, not on the column. Okay. Okay.
স্যার এখানে যদি দুইটা রো আসতো তখন মানে
দুটো রো আসতো মানে কি হতো? আপনি কি হাইপোথেটিক্যালি বলেন না, কি হতে হতো সেটা বলেন। যখন আমি যখন বলি যে লিস্ট ডাউন all the publishers, how could you expect to have two columns or two rows?
No sir, not for this question.
Okay, you have separate question.
Yes sir.
Like
with two rows.
No, then that is basically question number 2 or question number 1.
Yes
which
sir.
we already have solved those.
Okay স্যার, এখন রো কলামের ইস্যুটা মানে রিমুভ হয়েছে আমার থেকে। জি স্যার, বুঝতে পেরেছি। থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
Okay. Is it okay so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now let me give you a very difficult question. Very difficult. Okay. List down author and total number of books they published. Let me change it. List down publishers and total number of books they have published. Very difficult question. So the answer could be pub 01 publish 500, pub 02 may have published 400, pub 03 may have published 500 in this way. So what should be my answer?
Sir, I have a question before answering this.
Yes, Taufika.
Sir, you said list down publisher, right? So in third question, we already just listed like 4,000 publishers we have. And now we have to get the total number of books they have published.
I have mentioned list down publishers and total number of books that they have published. That means it is not total number. I don't want to find out total number of publishers. Rather, I want to find out publishers and how many books that they have published. So here,
Publishers and
yes, here it is list down total number of publishers. This will give me 4,000. That means there are total 4,000 publishers. Now this answer should give me total 4,000 tuples, because I know there are total 4,000 publishers.
Yes, sir.
স্যার আমি একটা অ্যানসার গেস করতে পারি, মানে আমি
অবশ্যই
স্যার হ্যাভিং ইন দিয়ে স্যার count
before you think, since I have mentioned this is a complex query, before you think, let me stop you. Having কখন আসবে? When the concept will occur?
স্যার যখন কোনো
when you have a condition, right? Condition on the aggregation, right?
ও আচ্ছা স্যার।
So is there any condition? Are we talking about any condition here? The statement is talking about any condition?
No, sir.
No. Then basically don't make it that complex.
Sir,
but this is a very difficult query. Yes, Khadija.
Sir, can we select?
Sir, can we join publisher with the title, and then we can?
Okay.
Sir, because we need information from two tables.
Okay. I may want to wait a little bit before I answer on your answers. So Taufika, you are saying something.
Sure, I wanted to say like we can take the we can select publisher and we can count like in question 3 we did
so you are saying like first of all let me rewrite or rephrase the question with the context that Khadija has raised, that is, do you think you need joining here?
Sir, we can make a group, right? Because we have 2 columns here. One is publisher ID, and we are also having the publishing list of books, right? Like publishing ID is one is publishing 500 books. So we can make a group here.
Okay. Now I would like to go to Khadija again. Khadija, Taufika is trying to say that you don't need to make any joining because pub ID is already there in title table. What do you say, Khadija?
Yes, sir, but if we need the name of the publisher,
are we getting the name?
No, sir, only
so here
number of books.
Here we have only talked about the ID, isn't it? pub01, pub02. So these are the IDs, right?
Oh, sorry, sir. I did not see that.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Yes, Samuel, you are saying something.
Sir, like I was trying to answer the question.
Yes, Samuel, please go ahead.
Sir, I think it would be select pub ID, comma,
Select pub ID, comma,
count, title
count.
ID,
Okay, maybe star
from title,
from title.
group by pub ID.
Excellent. Excellent. That is the answer. So here, what I have done, at the beginning, I have mentioned this is a very difficult question. So thus you have tried to find out how to make it difficult. I believe this is the reason why Khadija went into the concept of joining and others.
Exactly, sir. Because you were saying that is
Yes,
difficult.
yes. I know. So since I have mentioned. Yes.
About the number 3 question, like it is also already solved, so why I need to make it difficult in 4?
Exactly. That's why you all were thinking how to make it difficult. It is not simple, as Sir has said. It is not simple, so I have to make it difficult somehow, and that is the reason why you are not able to answer it properly, because I already have put in your mind it is a difficult question. Okay, but you already have solved this type of questions, right? Is it now clear? So this is simple.
Yes.
This is not difficult. Okay, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let me I know, like, I am basically running out of time, but let me take it a little bit difficult
Sir, I have
now.
a question.
Yes, Samuel.
Sir, why are we using count star instead of something else in this?
Count star means anything. Okay, that's
Anything
why
from what?
anything, that means it is counting the number of rows. It is counting the rows. Instead of counting any attribute, you can just simply count the rows. That's why I'm putting star.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Star means all. That means you are counting the whole row. But you're right. You can put it pub ID. You can put it something else. It should not have any problem. There should not be any problem with that. But if the question here, if I want to see pub name and number of titles, as Khadija was pointing, at that time, what you need to do? I want to see pub name. I want to see pub name and number of titles published by that publishers. What you will do? Khadija?
Sir, we can join the publisher and the title. Then we can make select pub ID, pub name, sorry. Count.
Very
star
good.
from
Can
pub
pub name. Okay, so you are having, you're saying it will be pub name. So instead of pub ID, we will say pub name. Count. What should be we counting? What we should count? What should we count? Count could be star, right? Khadija, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And then the next part, what will happen next?
Sir, we will be taking it from the new table that we will have joining table.
Okay, so now we need to know how to make joining, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how to write joining? So title, join,
Publisher.
publisher, and there is a condition, right? Join clause. on what is the joining clause?
Pub ID.
Pub ID. That means title dot pub ID should be equivalent to
Publisher pub ID.
publisher dot pub ID, right?
Yes, sir.
And then group by
Group by pub name.
pub name. Is it clear
Yes, sir.
to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now we have
Yes, sir.
introduced the concept of join here, which we have seen previously when we were doing the relational algebra. We have seen that concept of join, but this is basically how we can write join in SQL. Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. But the answer is wrong.
So why is everything under from?
Because joining is merging two table, right? Merging two table, I am creating a new table. If you could understand the concept of join, isn't it?
Yes.
So whenever data would be retrieved from somewhere, that somewhere should be kept under the clause called from. So data should be retrieved from a table. Whatever the table should be kept under the clause called from. That's why, since we need information from joining of two tables, so the joining clause is kept under from. That makes a complete table, which is the result of joining between title and publisher.
Okay, sir. Clear.
Okay. So, but the answer is wrong. Why it is wrong? Are you there?
Yes, sir. স্যার আমরা কি চেক করতে চাচ্ছিলাম স্যার একবার একটু বলবেন?
Answer
পাবলিশার
is wrong. The answer is wrong. I am saying the answer is wrong.
স্যার আনসারটা কি রং এই জন্য যে ফরেন কি বা বলে না এটার জন্য?
না আমি বলে দিই কেন রং হচ্ছে। For an example, there is a publisher name like ধরেন একটা পাবলিশার নাম যদি চিন্তা করি, let's say Sheba. Sheba is a publisher. Ananda is another publishers, right? These are the two publishers name. Okay. Sheba is publishers 1. This is publishers 2. And there is another publisher, publisher 3. The name of that publisher is also Sheba. There is another publisher, which his name is Ananda. This is from Bangladesh. This is from Bangladesh. This is from India. This is at India. Can this happen? Same name publisher.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It can happen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. If that happened, what we have done with that? That means we might not have 4,000 publishers entry because common names are grouped together, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So how to make it right? How can we make it right?
Sir, can we take the country?
country? What to do with
Sir,
country?
I think we should count it by the ID, sir.
You should count by ID.
Because that way then we get the individual publishers, right? Instead of these similar names and the countries.
Are we talking about counting by ID or grouping by ID?
So
What
grouping,
exactly?
so grouping by ID, sir.
Very good. So maybe, yes, we can do that. So we can group by pub ID instead of pub name. Is it okay?
I think so, sir.
Can't we group by country also, sir?
Okay, if you group by country, what will happen, Tofika? Just think a little.
Sir,
Then
if
basically we will have Bangladesh, a group for Bangladesh, another group for India. So are we looking at something like that, or we are looking like how
okay,
many?
yes.
So that would be even more more aggregated, right? More summarized.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Mainly group by তো আমরা করতেছি just summarize করার মানে summarize আমার যে নাম্বারটা ওইটা দরকার. We don't need details যে publisher 1 2 from country. Yes, I got it. Yes.
So if you group by country, it would be even summarized. That means if there are only 10 countries data is there, then there will be 10 rows, right? But we want to see 4,000 publishers data. So that will never be achieved if we do group by country. Okay?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Is there any question so far? Is there any query? Fairuz, is it okay? What you can say?
No, sir.
Fairuz, are you whether the concept is now clear, because we have
Yes, sir.
a different set of example.
Yes, sir. It's clear now, sir.
Okay, and believe me, these type of queries should be there in your final exam.
স্যার আমাদের কি এক্সামে স্যার এরকম করে লিখতে হবে স্যার, মানে এরকম কোশ্চেনস থাকবে দেন উইল আনসার ইট লাইক দিস, মানে
So,
এরকম করে আনসার করতে হবে?
এই লাইনটা দেওয়া থাকবে and you have to answer this.
ওকে স্যার, আই গট ইট স্যার।
And
So,
this is the case. This should be the case that would be there in your final. The pub ID, the pubs table or pub database would be shown. Yes.
গট ইট স্যার।
আর কিছু কেউ বলবেন?
স্যার কোয়েশ্চেন তো এরকম থাকবে, বাট স্যার এই যে ইআরডি তারপরে এই যে মানে টেবিল গুলো থাকবে না, আমাদেরকে তো এসকিউএল টা লিখতে হবে, রাইট? জি স্যার।
Okay, what would be given? This list of table would be given. এই স্ট্রাকচারটা দেওয়া থাকবে, এটা নাম্বার 1. ওকে, নাম্বার 2 হচ্ছে এই 1 2 3 যে কোশ্চেন গুলো করেছি, these would be given. Okay, and you have to write these SQL. This is number 3. That what would be there in the test, in the final exam.
Sir, we do also have to write the answer, right?
No. Answer এটা তো আমি আপনাদেরকে বুঝতে বলেছি. This is basically given so that you can realize what exactly needed. So I'm trying to give you some idea how it might look like, so that you can visualize what exactly you are trying to show. But you don't need to write the answers. You just need to write the SQL. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
স্যার আমরা কি জয়েন করতে চাইলে দুইটা টেবিল যখন আমরা জয়েন করতে চাইবো তখন স্যার এভাবে করতে হবে ফর্ম এর?
জি।
জি স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ।
ওকে স্যার।
Okay, so can we then stop our class here for today?